So this is our no-till corn patch. It's doing pretty good, probably the best I've ever done at corn. And we just planted it on the grass in the yard and laid down compost and then put the seeds down in these piles, these rows. And it's doing pretty good. And this stuff we planted a couple weeks later. So it's doing good too. I wasn't sure if the grass would just shoot right through it or not. These smaller piles, like you can see, we didn't put a whole lot down, but it held back the original grass pretty good, at least so far. There's a couple grass shoots that shot through here. Like this one here, might be a really healthy piece of grass. Pretty sure by the look of how thin it is right there. But I'm not exactly